Hi explorers, welcome back to another video and also welcome back to our channel. I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, share and hit the subscribe button. Hi explorers, this video is literally going to be a real treat, and so if you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Get a pen and paper and stay tuned throughout this video. Now, to all the ice cream lovers out there like myself, stop buying ice cream. Now, today I'm going to show you how you can make your own DIY ice cream that tastes as good or even better than the top brands out there. Now for this recipe, I'm using all of this box of heavy whipping cream, which is 1 pint and is the same as 2 cups. I'm going to be using this hand mixer to whip the cream, and I'm starting with the lowest setting on the mixer and then I'll gradually increase the speed. A low setting when you're starting just helps to prevent it from splashing all over and making a mess. Now I'm going to be making rum and raisin ice cream, which is one of my favorite. And guys, this flavor is hard to find where I live right now, and I'm telling you, this is no joke. It tastes remarkable. So making your own ice cream gives you that flexibility to add whatever flavors or other ingredient that you want. Once your cream is no longer runny and you can see those tracks being formed by the hand mixer, you know that your stiff peaks have formed and you are ready to start adding the other ingredients. 4 to 6 minutes on high speed using a hand mixer should be good enough. Now be careful not to overmix. The warmer your whipping cream becomes, then the fat will start separating and then it will start having a curdled look. You can also use a whisk to achieve the same objective. It's just that it might take a little bit more time than your hand mixer would. Alright, here it is, all done. As you can see, it's thick, not runny, and it's ready for the other ingredients. This is the condensed milk that I'm going to use, but I think I'm going to start by adding the raisins to this bowl. So I poured 1/3 of a cup of raisins that I had soaking in 2 tablespoons of rum overnight. This is the rum that I soaked it in, Wray and Nephew White Overproof rum from Jamaica. So do not use too much rum, especially if you can't handle it. Like 2 tablespoons was just right for me, especially after I mix it in the heavy whipping cream. You'll probably hardly taste it, but if you're not sure, use less and just gauge it for yourself. Alright, I'm adding a teaspoon of this vanilla. Wanted to use French vanilla, but this is the one that I had, so I'm just going to use this one. So I'm adding 1.5 cups of condensed milk. This depends on how sweet you want your ice cream to be, and this is the beauty of making your own ice cream. You can gauge the sweetness. And so if you want it to be a bit sweeter, you can add more milk. Or if you want it to be less sweet, you add less milk. Alright guys, so I'm going to be mixing this all up. If you notice, I didn't add any water because as you know, when water goes into ice cream, it's gonna form ice crystal and it's gonna affect the quality. And so I'm just mixing in just with the little liquid that I have from the vanilla and from the rum, and that will be good enough. Alright guys, so this was just supposed to be rum and raisin ice cream, but I gave in to the temptation of adding chocolate. So I'm just breaking a few pieces of Hershey's chocolate in the mixture, and I'm gonna stir that in also. Alright guys, so now I'm ready to stir in the mixture with the condensed milk and raisins into my whipping cream that I had resting in the fridge for a few minutes. So I'm going to be adding just a little bit at a time. Once you've done that, just start folding it in gently. And you just repeat the process until you have all the mixture inside of your whipping cream. Alright guys, so I'm folding in the last of the mixture and look at how creamy that looks. Tell me what you think in the comment section so far. Like, this looks really rich and creamy, and I'm just gonna keep folding it in, and then I'm gonna be pouring it inside of a Pyrex bowl. Alright, so I'm scraping all the mixture inside of this bowl, and I'm going to wrap it with cling wrap so that it's kind of airtight, and then put it in the freezer for it to freeze. Alright guys, I am very excited to show you the results after putting the ice cream in the freezer overnight. Okay, look at that. I'm gonna put it in the light so you can see exactly how it looks. And I'm going to dig in and show you a close-up of the texture. All right, there you go. Look at that creaminess that it has. You can see a little bit of chocolate. There's a little bit of raisin. And guys, I promise you that this is really good. Tell me what you think in the comment section. And I would really like you to try out this recipe and tell me what you think. Alright guys, here is the final results. You deserve this treat for staying with me throughout this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I think it looks beautiful, it tastes wonderful, and I'm gonna dig in and show you the texture and you're gonna see how great it looks. Here is a closer view of what it looks like. I just added a few cherries and some sprinkles just to garnish it. Now I'm going to be digging in with a spoon for you to see a close-up of the texture. So here we go. This is what it looks like, very creamy. This is no fountain ice cream. All right, here is a chunk of chocolate and I'm digging in. You can see the raisins in there just the same. This is really good. When I tasted it, there was just a hint of rum with the raisin and the chocolate. It was very good. And so make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to click the thumbs up button and share this video with the people you know. I will see you in the next video. Bye.